Binary options trading involves making predictions about the price movement of underlying assets within a specific time frame. Here are some key considerations for developing a binary options trading strategy. Number 1. Market analysis. Conduct thorough market analysis using technical analysis tools and fundamental research. Identify trends, support and resistance levels, and key market indicators to make informed trading decisions. Number 2. Asset selection. Choose assets that you are familiar with and can analyze effectively. Focus on a specific market or asset class, such as currencies, stocks, or commodities, to develop expertise in that area. Number 3. Time frame selection. Determine the time frame for your binary options trades. Shorter time frames, such as 60 seconds or 5 minutes, require quick decision-making and are more suitable for experienced traders. Longer time frames provide more time for analysis, but may require a larger initial investment. Number 4. Risk management. Implement risk management techniques to protect your capital. Set a maximum amount to risk per trade and use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Avoid chasing losses or investing more than you can afford to lose. Number 5. Trading plan. Develop a clear trading plan that includes entry and exit criteria, profit targets, and risk-reward ratios. Stick to your plan and avoid impulsive trading decisions driven by emotions.
Number 6. Money management. Determine the appropriate trade size based on your account balance and risk tolerance. Avoid placing all your capital on a single trade and diversify your investments across different assets or trades.
Number 7. Demo trading. Before trading with real money, practice your strategy on a demo trading account to gain experience and assess its effectiveness. This allows you to refine your approach without risking actual funds. Number 8. Continuous learning. Stay updated with market news, economic indicators, and trading strategies. Continuously educate yourself about new developments in the financial markets to enhance your trading skills. Number 9. Evaluate and adapt. Regularly review your trading performance and analyze the outcomes of your trades. Identify patterns or areas for improvement and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, trading binary options carries a high level of risk, and it is important to be cautious and only trade with funds you can afford to lose. It is recommended to consult with financial professionals or experienced traders and consider using reputable trading platforms that offer transparent pricing and reliable execution.